What the going, man? What the going, man? Share the video, guys. Let's go there. Don't show. Don't show. This evening, when I'm coming, Jessica William and Atiti Mohoa. Epa Atiti. Yes. This is Omg Wahala Umenwan. Share this video, guys. Yeah, for what is music? American 7. This is okay. Actually, watch this book at the water on the screen. Aku gue meh, apa gue semua. Dia rapi gue tu. Sweet mother, Share this video. Tell person the truth, not be crime. I don't reach my domain. Yàrá polúwa gbọ́ gbé. Akéde ló wọ́n náà tó ṣùgbọ́n. Share the video. Why Papa with the smile? Social media can be selfie, no. No? If you know be Umenwan, not be like Umenwan. They pick copy my doings, you know, be like me. 60 BG. See, share the video. Power tap on your screen, no look up. Power tap. Umenwan no go. Social media king. Umenwan, you they do the thing. Wait. Paporive era venido. Umenwan era venido. Umenwan Asha of Spain. HIV patients. Opa Miliki of Spain. HIV patient. Share the video. See, I want to learn music. Not like this, I like music. Never call police come and demolish the press door. No, there is documental. I'm getting the document, document. I'm going to say I did work. I can't pack up here. Now, what document I work you on? When I tell you to my platform, I show them. I say, see, I don't give them. They look on. They say, I want a best. But I beg, because people want to know for one speak, I beg. They can learn the music. For this country, where are they school? My work, I fit work night, day, anytime. So in this country, from 8 o'clock, they don't lock their store. Sunday, 7 o'clock, highest 10 o'clock, they don't lock their shop. Big beer, get mama. I don't know what the hell they say patience. No, me no da point. Share the video. Useless woman in Spain. Iye kebi one. Eyo menwe ni ye na o. Popori mommy, popori ni ye. You know e bode. Wa re alash yena is oblet. Alash ogena is oblet na Apollo. Ama kone ye gari mo. Iwu wa dododo. Why we say Okpa me say no we now we yo me. Why we say Okpa me say no we now. Me we do.
A tutti i bambini piace giocare? Certo, ed è nato Kinder Joy of Moving, un progetto...
Guys, share this video. Greetings to every one of you guys watching this podcast. Anna, well, relax, just will calm down. You're calming down. See, guy. Because I go change this voice connection. We basically made this plasma this also. You are the way you do yo. You are going on. Yaga. Abo lawe gbe. Abi na sebo no. Abo lawe gbe. How can you imagine? A television in low, where wa gun one on. Ida do yo, ida wa gun way. Okay, guys. Greetings. You want a greetings? Oh, go on. That's what me want. My work by when I lot of go brag this work. Abu never bon hand like this will be no law. Usumwa. Nonsense. Only one side. Now, Mo Umenwan. Ne do ya yo. Mo Alpha. I don't want to talk much for this broadcast. This live video, I don't want to talk much, but I just want to hit some points. First of all, to this useless, adulterous, stupid woman waiting for Spain. Now, if you the water work, it's so unfortunately where a Jessica Mahoana, Omani Wayasia in Spain, or Zoyo's worry, if I bought like with the word never go. Yes. I am not here to really saga her for real. I decided to block her because I know who I want to talk to. Yes, I will not spend much time on this my broadcast. I'm going to do this evening because the real facts I've said it yesterday night. And when I said this fact was almost the same time like this, I did the same video yesterday when I talked to this woman, this useless, stupid HIV patient woman in Spain. Ogona Jessica William. I believe I will be the only person or parameter. There are still people like you and me who are still on this media that can still flash back many years ago during the time of maybe 2016, I mean 2017, 18, where this woman come to social media to cry that she is an HIV patient. She get HIV, family abandoned, husband rejected, husband family is rejected, they want to buy her. She cried on media. I personally call her then, console her that it is not the end of the world. HIV also have cure. You understand? You can go and meet your doctor, seek for medication, and see how you can cure your HIV. You understand? This is not the end of the world. She was crying on media. She cried on media. This will not be a saga. As I talk this to her, she know. Yes. If peradventure due to the fame, because I don't believe she has fame, you know the new, I would call it a nuisance that overwhelm her head, overcome her head. She now feels saying a celebrity, she couldn't talk anyhow. They talk to people like us. So I want to flash her back to where she come from, where she's coming from, where I knew her from, where she cried out on media that she had HIV. Because of that, the husband was rejected. The family of the husband has abandoned her. She met a lot of women who rejected and started sourcing her, humiliating her. And I also called her to console her that having HIV is not the end of the world. You know, all you need to do, meet your doctor and continue taking your medication. You can be cured. HIV has cure. That is this woman for you. Now, today, Comrade Tony Kabaka, the APC youth chairman in Edo State chapter, and as alongside the youth chairman in Edo State, which is Comrade Tony Kabaka. Atiti humiliates the wife of Comrade Tony Kabaka, assault the wife of Tony Kabaka, disgrace the wife of Tony Kabaka. Yes. Not be Atiti be the first person who started to do one. They could have released you while down you're going to power tap on the screen. If you know, so your hand they pay you, don't feel power tap. Off your phone, you they sleep, time don't go. No, you don't feel they wash me, you know they power tap. I feel swear for you. If anywhere you do, whether you FYPO, FDPO, SCPO, you they wash and you enjoy the program, you know they power tap. There's nothing going to hit your chest. There's no time. Nothing going to hit your chest. If you better, you don't just watch me. Come my screen. No watch me, not listen to me. You never come and they hear me and you hear my voice. You focus. You want to know what they want to talk. You know power tap. Oh, go no soon where no follow where you hear that. Oh, so they just will. So what you will the FYP? No what to ta. I done it here na go no soon where they go. But one allow it be. Wa wash me man like me. You come here, you will wash Who FYP, FDP, HIV, ACT, ASC, AFB, Ogonga boy. Yes. Unless you will power tap. You will power tap. You cannot be on FYP watch me. FYP of boy. I know I'm able to speak on that. One of FYP able to speak on that. Who are asked to get? Who are asked to water? Oh, who are already? Or asked to what? Who are asked to what? After you be that's an monitoring spirit. You don't like this person, get the fuck out of my platform. No, watch my video. You can't be an FYP. They use color I watch me. I'm going to talk with this. Go back, go back. If that's what I say, who like it, I watch it. Don't watch my video. It's very simple. It might be better way. It might send the invitation boy. Don't hide in FYP and watch me. We're going to go never a war. We're going to watch with the war. We're going to know what was here, sir. Don't watch my video. You get my point now. I'm not those kind of social media presenter that you can sit on FYP and be looking at Nyanya. Be looking at Nyawolo. Be looking at Nyawebe. Looking at Nyawo. We're going to wait for 15 minutes after I go and ask those people. No, you be away. A sister deporting, you can always saga or FYP or wash. Or wash. The good bear in a film away. There's no good bear or in a film away. If you don't like me, get out of my platform. A man good enough to way. I'm making my platform. Don't hack in FYP. Who do I house have? Who like? Who press it water? Who gift? The wash. Epa Atiti, I be your father. I know the clever. I know the comments. We are not great boy. Ella, come on, man. Wait, that's all you're dead. Because Epa, conscience of popping. God help me. This one. Whereas all this year you are being FYP. Don't try that bullshit with me. Mommy, one idiot gift, you know, man. I don't even know what big boy here. Who are you make my platform? Yes. Mommy lie. It is hard time someone they use no way be evil beneath people. I'm not someone about Buwa. What is our enemy? Not the enemy. Una where the secret place they watch. Una watch past the real enemy. Una go see person video. Ordinary to like. Can you imagine? You go get 60,000 views. Only 4 comments. 60,000 go view your video. 4 people now go comment. Nice one. Nice couple. Lovely couple. Nice couple. Yeah, press it nice one, yo. Yeah, comment it, yo. More than 100K go watch your video. You know, go reach 5K. We will comment. You go see thousands of likes. No comments. Why you call the words impressive video? Monitoring spirit. If you watch video, you watch video, order to press like around here. When we use less system social media. Why munyere in the bit to the consider go 1 year. Ya egbe. Orient of no. A FYP. After the talk now, the FYP. You know, vibe one on Layabi. Awe de Nick Basha over European and Nimotonia la device. Ni Vibia Kaya will be a FYP than you. 1 year comments because they are evil. Because they are atrocity. Aba shi wele avec what because uagu here or in again a lazy coin on this more. Yeah, ki we to who why the way as what the po sister we da po the FYP equally boom FYP who here in a warehouse or in a maho fast train away yeah FYP. Yes, the cat they go up one. Before I come to this HIV patient, the cat they go up my one FYP then. I'm not how working on. Now, Atiti or sorry. Atiti sorry. Jessica William no one. Yes. Because if you marry a responsible man, I don't think you will be on life with another man 24 hours. I blame those useless men that claim as the platform. No, shut down. You know people will be shut down now. When I clap, we know we talk now. Jessica William, when I first and the last time when I clap your platform, Uma said Guana, you fell when real men talk. Because you know this one real man. Now they talk so. We are Guana, and now we you feel me? When real man climb your platform, come spoke. When nobody in your platform, not two or 3 times. What you go? You don't feel talk. Because when we just Nama climb the platform. Not be cut on short. Because when we yes, oh we are big on his platform. How can you imagine? Real men will they talk for Atiti platform, they try to talk to Atiti. Tell Atiti the truth. You evil woman. You don't fail. You are a father rejected, mother rejected, community abandoned. The same way you destroy Atiti life. And still fall to this problem today, it is because of you, Jessica Evil. Jessica Evil. Do mommy tell Atiti, not cut to wear shorts, not tell them go when we talk to you. You are evil. You are a disgrace. You are a shameless woman. You are going to allow it, Jessica. I'm not going. What better what bijou Jessica William? When they say patient, go in there, they don't go. The people you are talking to, they are better than you. I mean, who will respect? You are massive way. Who you want to compare with for that Spain will not better pass you? They are not, you know, no one of your egg was the say. No, have they posted that for me? Jessica William, show yourself me and put my wife out. If you reach the sleep pass, where my wife is back for us. What be you are? We see butter. No work me at well. When they fool, no war. Don't compare yourself with my woman. No. Post your picture for social media, bro. Or may you bring your husband. Come on. I dare you, bring your husband. Post your husband. If I can allow one that for no wife, now you're useless husband. When the husband are there, I saw it. You provoke them to post your husband picture, you know your husband picture. If you don't know me and say I know. I have your husband picture. When you have issue with this woman when they follow you, so this girl for Spain, it's not your husband picture, I get your husband picture. All details of your husband, I have them all. It's shocking you another one day carry your husband picture poster. No remember. And they do this with wisdom. Imagine a Atiti. Do my no. A picture that we are give me. Otien. Sorry. Oh. Ex-girlfriend the Rufus. Jessica William no Zua. Jessica. Yara Atiti vedere na ngi Zuo. Umwere ya gboze. Now listen. There is no talk. There is no way. There is no saga. When Atiti one saga again for this social media people. With any reasonable minimum. Go believe on again. If you don't know. You buy Atiti destiny for this social media. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better start what talk for national peace story. Now, see you all know this is Frank Victor, the Umenwan, the social media king, the social media Kuban, the social media Otutu, the social media Enyewa, the social media Akobisi, Ruda, Ira Erosika Akobisi, Moi Baba with this man. Do my drink? I want you. Yeah. It's a short message to Jessica William and Atiti. Just the entire so you understand. So what I did is called me, somebody they called me and said me, Jessica William and Atiti, the saga you did. Bro, forget. Maybe you remember. I so much happy say the saga because why? When I do video yesterday, when I talk about this William, I think Jessica William he entered my platform. I saw her. Yes, I saw her. She not there for she joined the platform. You get my point now. With this one, come on, get on my platform. No one play game. See that's all. We game. What? He didn't give him what, but he can what. All this request. If you mistakenly send request,
wing. They don't have a good midfielder. They don't have good striker. I don't know. Ancelotti is coaching. I say, when I watch Brazil in the Copa America, they play rubbish. Let this man.
My guy, be the one of footballer fans. And my guy, with those one of football fans. You getting my point now? Even my football. Don't please footballer. Don't please. Don't please. No, so you go. Wow, useless boy. A boy has no integrity, no wisdom. Wow. Very anyhow people. A man like you don't have say of your own. You don't have dignity of your own. Now, saga what your friend do remain they do ozu or mugu. He didn't patuso. Anyways, a patuso. More story or more do this social media. No matter what you now do, this is why I better pass of you I know give. I know they collect money the saga person. I know they collect 1 naira. The saga person. That is me for you. More Baba with this man. I know they collect money. That's why all the juju when they go. No one they work because he marry who. I did not do it for money. You know, we collected 150. We'll be Jennifer. Or collected 500. We'll be Obokoish. At the end of the day, she can't give you as well. We have also mugu. I would that when I'm going to domain that or Zonuma command one way. Now let's go to this also story. Yesterday I did a video concerning Tony Kabaka and Omg Atiti no Zua. Father rejected, mother rejected, community abandoned. Now I talked to Tony Kabaka, I also talked to Atiti. He's telling me now. For real, no matter how you go change the whole scenario, how you go tell the whole story, Atiti is 100% wrong. 100%, not 20%, not 50%, not 99%, 100% wrong. Because why? On this social media, what would they so? If you not use lie in saga person, me not use lie in saga person. Yes. If you not use lie the saga person, me not use lie the saga person. If I don't get what I want to talk, you see the way I did this, after I end my live broadcast, I fall out. I make control. All my niggas, they will make things. From there, we move. We'll go on my guy with celebrate birthday today. Tomorrow, on that birthday. You understand? We drive, go there. All of us go there. We'll go enjoy ourselves. Like, say, tomorrow, no day. Now, from there, I drive, come out, nothing to us. We'll go popori, like, say, tomorrow, no day. We don't know what that social media is. We don't know if it's or go on Facebook. If you so. You see, as I did that, as you say, I do live. I don't do live. I get that type of phone. I get it for phone. I feel do live video. As we the ball, as we the drill, May months. I feel they do live. People they use their phone, they do video. I don't do live. Yes. But maybe if you see me for person to talk. So then one day they cruise, they dance, they drink beer. Now they do the video. I don't do the video. I don't not call my cousin. I don't call the live video. Say they are closing my guys. No. Yeah, boom. Now, Atiti, total. Jessica William, the problem when you date today, this evil woman, named Meto. You don't ever see woman go there abroad, no they play there. Don't know this woman. Emiamonsier. Meto, he can never play there. I want to play there, when they contact disease, no. No ask no question. This woman can never play there. because it's a communicable disease. She carries a communicable disease. She's in pain, agony. That's when she talk. She talk verbally. She got no respect for man. Una don't ask yourself question. Jessica William, Money tonight, you dare the platform. When you take the cook for your husband? Una never ask Jessica William question. Jessica, they we are never another fool where? Or not turning. Wanna ask Jessica William, they we are never another fool where? When did you normally prepare food for your husband? It's a very good question for everyone to ask Jessica William. And then we can have a have this away. Many women go now. I first of all help Jessica William, console her. When she cry her that she's HIV patient. I know what it take me to call her that day. So I console her. You understand? This woman will climb at the platform, go sit down there. You go become the year bear of the platform. You go the one make person to talk for the stupidity of Atiti. If you don't contribute to the stupidity of Atiti, also one saga, also one vanuka, go to talk to you anyhow, go to disrespect you, like saying that she get the platform, this stupid woman. After the death of straight Atiti to the number 0. Because it's a stark illiterate, it's a mugu, you don't get sense. You don't know who truly love him, and who hates him. He thinks, say, this idiotic woman, the helper like Asaboro. Asaboro is still a hepatitis. Asaboro not the hepatitis. Asaboro is equivalent as this woman. Asaboro is just trying to use wisdom, like saying better pass this woman. Asaboro is also worse as this woman. They are the one disgracing and humiliating Atiti. Oh yes. Asaboro will climb up. Asaboro is full of lies. Only. Okay, now Asaboro ta platform Atiti. Oye tegbe. Oye woko. Oye woko. Asaboro climb Atiti platform day for yesterday or rather yesterday. Was yesterday. Atiti. If what call the sing, if what call it, Atiti also know the day they come in. Are you Asaboro? You be as your wife. When I go in live video, I go to wonder say, who know the things said no alone, no they watch what no they talk. Asaboro okay, Asaboro ta, all we mon way. When I go in live video, what will be wakba or the heaven water. Even what call you will see, you know, as well soon now, at the Villa Diana, well soon now, very war beatity, war yatity, war eratity, at your father, at your sister, at your brothers, at your family. Asaboro, a family that is doing to the Kabaka, you follow them. A family when they are going to the Kabaka. When you were tell us a live video, you were the one that you minate to see on the show, the Asaboro. At this live video now. You guys are the cost. You guys are the cost. From the beginning of this scenario, I think came out very well. I think came out very well. Bone for bone, skin for skin, war for war, no retreat, no surrender. When I do bring you command, I think we ought to do other commands. I think come out for do one-on-one. Native daughter to native daughter. But you, Asaboro, and this useless woman called Jessica William, you guys brought that man down. That man's strength, the mind, with the guy to come out for the first of the fight, una kill the mind. Una humiliate that man to the fullest. Today, who are soon, and now one custom for the man. Epa one of them saga. Epa one of them those men who are lower. Yaha. Who are lower. The truth is bitter. Somebody has to tell you guys. Somebody has to tell you guys the truth. Yes. The weakness is already there. He has kneeled down on social media. He has shed tears on media like a baby, like a toy, like a nuisance that he is. There is nothing, no video you go do today. You go shake Tony Kabaka. Ogbeni. Emma Agbora. You get my point now. They listen very careful. No damn niggas video that you guys are gonna do today. That's gonna give a shit with Tony Kabaka. You get my point now, bro? They waste your time. Cause fucking niggas hell with you. Who give a F with you? No level. Until you go down and do the needful. No damn niggas level for you because you came on the media and you say you need money. You need the fucking dough to go to Nigeria. Now they're giving you the money and you're coming on another news. Who give a F with you? Bro, you and Jessica Williams not be nuisance. You guys are criminal, bro. You guys are criminal. Before you start sacking Tony Kabaka, return all the money that people donated for you. You think we are fools? Oh, people that donate money, they may be fool. They might be fool. You can fool them, but you can't fool the white people. Before you start the saga Tony Kabaka, return all the money they donate for you. If you know so they go to Nigeria, return the money. You tell the whole world that you are going to Nigeria. You need money. You need ticket money, and they donate money for you. Now, what is your story? You don't go to Nigeria again. You lie, bro. You lie. Utoge. Toi, sungu. Umanari Tony go to give another to go. You lie. Why this guy will let me work bell until you guys return the money? Before you, who got here, buck back to the 100 is coming to your generation. If you raise one cost to come to Tony Kabaka, 100 they come to your generation, and to Jessica family. Because you guys deceive the diaspora people. Go here, you walk here saying, who here has Tony Kabaka. Now you don't let you go to you are telling the world where Tony Kabaka, are you mad or something? Are you crazy, bro? Who were in Nigeria? Who not Tony Kabaka? You go back to Bongo, bro. Go and call Tony when you get to Nigeria. Don't call Tony when you are saying diaspora. My guy. You know they get it pass. Oh no zuwa. No da fun e wo. On da fun alo be la be no zuwa. No suta ya da fun ni. On na ho wa na. Ati waiting me when get the rebel where. Who set him with yet to the rebel where you are a fool. And you could be made a fool. You think you are smart. Who give me a go ne. You are a stupid man. Who do you think you are deceiving? They don't wear. Hey, Jessica Williams, Jessica Williams is stand by you to be frauding people who are why are sure 50-50 who are bell. You and Jessica Williams want to fraud people. At the end of the day, you go and share the money indoor. What the saga cover up? You want to cover up with saga? You guys are bloody civilian. Wait from Victor, go to the Kabaka. From Victor Saga to the Kabaka. Yes, I did so with reason and with evidence and proof, bro. Don't play. I'll not be Superman. Before me talk to Tony Kabaka, talk to Bobby Zua. I get proof of what I'm saying. If you don't get sense, me get sense. I can talk to Tony Kabaka, I can talk to Bobizwa, I can talk to Okpeworo, and I will play you the proof of every word I said. I don't talk without evidence. Larry Ogbeni, what's your evidence? Where is the evidence where Tony Kabaka's wife, they sleep with Odudu? Show us the proof. Show us the proof, bro. When I talk to Tony Kabaka, when I let Tony Kabaka know that Tony, the first person that said that your wife is an adulterous woman is Amigo. Oh yeah, watch the video. I play the video. If you provoke me, I go on my laptop, I go play the video for you. God, it's sad. We know they talk with no get proof. You think I look like you that and stuck in just like you. Who get this nyash? Who be this one? Yeah, accept nyash. See nyash or Jesus. Who be this one? Who be this one?
Good evening.
Good evening, man.
Good evening, sir.
Are you fresh? Be like fresh fish. What's this all? Where are you calling from? Where are you chatting from?
Lagos, Nigeria.
Oh, now bad bitch for comments. Which net hook you? Just say don't be fish.
No, not from that. I'm not a fish. Do you want to be mad?
Yeah, let's play match. Let's play match. You be like Kentucky Fisher. You're fresh. You don't marry. You single. You single. I mean, I know I feel those two. I feel I like fine girls, so you know understand.
I'm saying go to stupor. FYP on times 3. Guys.
Times 3.
Yeah.
No, if you bring for me all the coins we can get, I think that shoe.
You can ask me what
All the coins I have, I can dash all my coins.
they play. Nah, so.
Maybe I don't make I remove this masquerade with my back. Maybe like say, now this masquerade they look see I get. See, this masquerade confuse you. Guys, times 3, when I give me coins now, what they solve? Ogbeni, what they have? When I give me coins to maybe when I look this guy face, so get face fine. Oh. If you come with me now, you say man, they like fine face. Wait, now you see the back. What's gonna be twins? Are you the back?
Yeah.
What's your name? Boki, Bukola, Bukiri.
Yeah.
Kí lorúkọ rẹ̀? Kí lorúkọ rẹ̀?
Booking.
Bukola mi which one that? Ogbeni, this one where they come go say they save you so. Wanna help me save this woman? I don't want to see this kind of blue thing for your face. TikTok, what is the I go saga TikTok? Why did they say they save you? My fans wanna go give this woman coins, make they save her money and they see fine face. How you go decide smoke? They not give me coins so. Give my fans. Oh, all this my fans no one give me. No one give me. No one give me. No one make this girl with me.
Thank you. Only one. Miss Jenny. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you.
I greet you, the word of you. I see all these women. They want for my hand. They're gonna give. Oh God. Let's go there. That's a great word. I get times 2, guys. Let's go times 2, guys. When I'm only going on a phone, don't they press money go. When I give me galaxy now, I've been a gallery, I've been a wardrobe. When I give me wardrobe.
FYP. FYP come in and support.
Thank you, guys. Let's go there. Now, Sam. Miss Fifi. Lero for Miss Philo. Oh, I'm a piano. Oh God, you get my point now. Wonderful. When I press money go, when I press Rosemary for me, when I press money go, when I press gallery, when I not get lion for the phone, where lion enter, when I search the bush, search for lion. Oh God, thank you. See, beg, me don't wear me cap, they don't wear me a bookie cap. Wallahi, salam alaikum. What is one a Chinese cap? If you wear this Chinese cap, we're going to do Buzlin, we're going to fight for China. Oh God. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give me cap. Me, I go bring all those. What do I go beat all those bandits? You understand? Those Nigeria bandits, them, all those bandits within Nigeria. Today, when I wear me with that cap, me, I go beat them. When I give me money, go me, I fit sick gun to fight all those bandits now. Why tabush? Face up. God bless you. Only Miss Jenny, I greet you. You didn't make my period the rush. I need pad. Who get pad for there? When I press pad for me. I need pad. What's going on here? Mona gift me well. Before this girl go see I be poor man because what was this girl? Go, if you see they don't give me that gift now, you go see I be poor person. FYP, they be monitoring spirit, they sleep. All those one with the FYP, they just they use your face, they come. You know, I know them. There are some bad niggas out there. They see your smile, this one they come. Clear road. God Pisco. I must greet you. Everywhere good. That's what some people that they do. Me wait, man. He give me money, go me I go give all those bandits for Nigeria. Oh God. I will buy my flight ticket this morning. Early morning, I don't buy flight ticket. I go bandit. I go Sambisa Forest. I go wear all those bandits, all those children. I go rescue them. You hear me so? You say I'm not saying I'm not to. I'm not be too noble. Shady and Jeff are so rock. Thank you very much, my lovely people. May they give you a chance. One of the power tap. Everybody power tap on your screen. If everybody, somebody don't give them.
You, the snipe. Thank you so much, Obia. Thank you. God bless you.
This guy
The
with me.
snipe. The freaking snipe.
They
Thank
snap
you
me.
so much, Obia. God bless you. They
Who
snipe
snap for
you.
you?
We snap you.
That person will
A
snap for
good
you.
Samaritan snipe for me.
That person will snap for you in a bad person. If they are you, that person they are you. Okay.
Asa,
That person they are you.
you know, cause I make it eye me.
The person they follow me the drag woman. Oh, I don't know. About they follow me about the spell the drag woman. Times 2, times 3 guys. So yeah, guys. Káwọ́ kábíyèsí o, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Oh yeah, Benny. Times 3, anything we give them times 3. Oh yeah, more than give me. More than give to see, they don't snap for me now. Oh yeah, money go, give me money go, guys. Let's go there. Where they dig? Who not dig? No, not yet what they talk about the snap. Ew! I don't suffer. See, I don't give them money go. 3.5.
Obia, thank you.
They go give them. Women support men. When they give me coins. Times 3.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, but all your this thing, you know, get smoke, nothing. You're just here making noise. Eh? Obia, thank you.
I don't die.
Thank you so much, Ojo Kole. I didn't see. Thank you so much.
Can you imagine? Nigeria they beat Europe. Nigeria they beat Europe. People basically Nigeria they win. National. Oh yeah. Let's activate times 2. One coins to activate time.
I'll win you. They cannot snipe for you.
They cannot snipe on me.
You.
Oh yeah, guys.
Yes.
Times 2. Let's activate times. Oh yeah, wanna give me one rose to activate times 2. One coin. One rose to activate times 2.
You cannot say she.
You sure?
She, you cannot see.
Okay. You want to provoke by fans? Now, real human being, I get to not be ghost. People when they watch me, a human being, that if they verse, press the hazard, you go run.
Thank you so much. God bless you, sir. So thank you.
You see, no, oh yeah, let's go times 2, guys. Times 2. Galaxy times 2. Oh yeah, times 2, guys. Girl, wanna give me galaxy? Wanna give me coin? Wanna give me money? What they call?
Jesus, they make noise.
Times 2, guys.
What we give you?
They want to chat. Don't relax. They want to chat. You go stand. You go shop. Times 2. Women fans. This guy they mock me. This guy come for the way they mock me. When they sleep.
Thank you.
People when they not sleep. People when they Europe they sleep. Why they go sleep? Where they go sleep? They are coming. More. God Pisco. God bless you. God, let's times 2. Press more money gone. Times 2, guys. Let's go. Times 2. Let's go, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Am I you big?
Oh, I didn't get that screenshot. Damn.
Oh yeah, now let's go. You too long. That's the word update. Big CEO, Claro for the big CEO. They create. Not really sure. Let's go. I'm Nigeria win Europe.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Oh more. Benny, what they have? Nigeria win Europe for waiting.
Okay, your gift has
Nigeria
not
win
been
Europe.
no wala.
I tell you, say, see, not play with Nigeria. I can see they help you. Nigeria win European nation. You want to win European nation?
Made them snipe for you.
Not go provoke. I said that you not go provoke. Respect your helper. Respect your helper.
Finish. Maybe that 2K coin there.
Respect your helper. Nigeria, Europe na helper. Respect your helper. Tell them say carob, sir.
Obia, thank you.
Tell your helper say carob, sir. Kilo shele. No go.
Hello, my helper, pass your own. You, now how many people they give to there? Imagine how many people they give to. I have one person, a king is here. You cannot compare it with you that many people are gifting. I have just one person
Yeah,
here.
tell your king
Maybe one person they give to.
Now your king now poor king, you
Maybe
know
one
get
person they
left.
give to if you reach. Maybe
Tell your
one
king.
you see am? Now one person they here. You know how many people they give to? They don't get in mind. One person don't fit do what my king they do for a year. Thank you so much,
king,
sir. God bless you.
Your king not get money.
Thank you so much, sir. He has money. You know, Mr. Tana. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
That your king, now your Wivon want change you. You know,
Thank you so much.
guys. First gift where they come so where we use everybody power tap on your screen, guys. Let's go. Everybody power tap on your screen. First gift times 2. Anything you get, drop on times 2. You get me now? Anything you get, drop on times 2, guys. Let's go. Big CEO, I greet you. Anything you get, drop something, guys. Let's go. Thank you very much. Purity for love. I want to greet you. Thank you very much. Anything we drop times 2. You drop money, gone. Drop your galaxy. Let's go there times 2. You getting my point now? Oh, I talk for national peace. Anything you drop times 2, guys. Let's go there. Thank you very much, big CEO. I appreciate one love. Oh, yeah, let's go. Oh, I want to talk for national peace. See, let's go there. Anything you get, drop on sharply and stay up.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Thank you. Thank
Are you screaming?
Wait till make you open mouth. Eh?
Are you lost?
This is that combined plenty air wey they give to. Now one person dey here, they no fit stand down. One person.
Why you scream?
Your own like now like 7 people they give you that 200 point. 7 people.
Because I get human being now. I no get ghost. I get family. I get community.
They no get money now. They don't get money now. Why like 5 people they give to? Imagine 5 people to one person. You know they shame.
Ogbeni, I get community. You don't understand something. I get family. Community now.
Community of my food. Community my food. I freaking have one person here gifting me, and you have like one. How many people they watch you? Like 100 people they watch you. They don't feel pull. They don't feel carry you reach 5K.
Let's go.
Imagine they give you 2 hours.
Give me those guys. Let's get this times 2, guys. Let's go. We need 9 rows to get times 2, guys. 9 rows to get times 2. Let's go, guys. 9 rows, guys. Where are you guys? 9 rows. Or give me one cap. To activate times 2, guys.
Can I get some roses?
One cap to activate times 2.
Evangelist, can I get some roses?
Yeah, activate times 2. One cap to activate times 2. Don't finish. Not rich. You couldn't get times 2.
Thank you, Evangelist. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Thank
This guy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Purity. God bless you.
Evangelist, thank you so much. Oh, thank you, sir. Ubia, thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
How the phone crack for here? No, help you.
You get plenty helper, but they don't help me. I get just one person here, and he's helping me. I'm not like you that have crowd, but I cannot support you.
No
So, clack it.
Would you use any play? That your helper will use any play. Will they play with her? Will they play without your helper? When you go say no, when you go say
only roses they give you. See, they don't give you money gun. Your helper, when they give you only rose, and they carry you. Rose goes. Thank you so much, my king. God bless you. Oh, the glasses. I screenshotted it. I got some glasses. Clock it. They're not rich for your side. Thank you so much, Obia. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Let's go.
Bless you, sir. You know rich for where Obia dey.
Not provoke my followers. So if they invest, they go drop like not provoke them.
Where they want to see lion? People they drop roses, now you want drop lion. As how now? Where they want to see? Oh yeah, if they're rich, when they drop a mass see.
Not provoke them. They go shock your left nipple.
Make them drop am.
Not provoke
Good.
them.
Make them drop the lion now. Shebi them reach. Make them drop am. Siam. Oh yeah, I'm hearing your gifters. They should drop lion. If it's sure say they no broke, make them drop and make I see.
Say my gift are
Broke
broke
people.
for this.
They are broke. They are freaking broke.
Don't worry. They will
How
surprise
many
you.
people they watch with them? You have how many people watching you? They still don't carry reach one case. Ah, God, that's so bad. Now people now won't give you lion. Where won't say now rats they go give you rats. Rats.
This girl don't vex me.
Hey, they want to snipe. I won.
Why you dey shout? They want. No, they also be your.
Tokumbo. I thought they want to snipe. Mr. Tokumbo, good evening. Good evening, sir. Evangelist, thank you so much. I thought they want to snipe. I thought I saw boosting glove. Oh.
Guys, everybody for
boosting
WhatsApp.
glove.
All of them they WhatsApp. If everybody for WhatsApp, this guy not going to make mounts. ×2, guys. ×2. Anything you get, drop on ×2.
Guys, this is my last.
Use this ×2. Use this ×2. Drop anything you get. Money gone. Thank you very much, people. To love. Anything you get, drop on ×2. Drop money gone.
×2. This is my last match. Please.
Drop lion. Drop tortoise. Drop pesca. Drop anything you want. Drop people. What did they saw? Who be this guy? What did they saw? How you go expect say this guy go this? You go say people with the Europe to not get level. Is that not a shame?
Oh, now no get level. Job me they drop lion for your head, master.
You don't get. Can you just imagine this guy? They be your destiny helper. Oh, that's that baby mama. You see, my baby mama don't vest. They don't give you. My baby mama don't vest.
Drop lion for you.
You don't go vest. You don't go.
That mama make she drop lion.
My children now. So don't go vest. Go with my children. Eh?
You
want to twins for me now? You don't vex. You don't go provoke her now.
Drop lion. Make them drop lion.
You don't give me coins. Oh yeah, one rose. Okay, you don't go provoke. You don't go provoke.
One rose.
You the best for one rose. See you the best for one rose. They talk to people they are abroad. They sang. Your hand go meet you.
This one. They are abroad. I don't give you one small. Even if it's a small lion. They are abroad. They don't give you small lion. Imagine.
You dey saga them. Oh.
Waiting.
You don't provoke them.
Waiting.
You dey provoke them.
They don't give you line. They give you it. If I come in and support.
No be what they get. They go give me. Who be this guy, sir? Which country for come? Guys, ×2. ×2. This girl not too much could assist. My baby mother verse. She don't verse now.
No verse. That verse, man. The verse no they count. Make she drop small lion. Make I know say she the verse really. That's why she drop donut. Na cheap something. Na cheap.
Mona show on pepper.
Drops. Make she drop small lion. Tell her say if she reach, make she drop small lion.
Jesus. This girl, you wanted my period the rush. I not get money for pad. Can you imagine?
Man,
I go where they say pad don't finish. And my period don't start now. Thank you, Mommy G.
UFC, good morning.
That is.
They don't even drop lion. I just small they drop. They drop lion.
Golden unstable. That is golden unstable.
Elder.
No, le Umenwan. You know they make all my girlfriend now they vex, they call they climb up. They want to give me. They be they lucky, see so. All the girlfriend we I get for abroad, all of them, both for UK, for Canada, all of them they come up now. They want provoke because we are insulting their husband. You don't understand. I get many women. I'm married to a lot of women.
Nah, cheap. Nah, broke women. Nah, they follow. They don't give you lion. They give you only money.
See what you want to talk about. Our ancestors hold your mouth. He said you cannot talk to no chief like me. My fourth wife, then they give me gifts so. You see?
No concern. They
All
drop
those
like
your
coin at home.
all those your boyfriend, now those your small peanut boyfriend. They're not wrong. They're not broke. They don't. Let's talk about. Now they don't provoke. Now don't first now. You see the problem with Africa and Europe. Europe will never lose God. They're going to wait because they show their power. Now their account don't run 0. First bank don't tell that Godogun and say your account number is low. Please recharge your account. You cannot. What happened to your Dogun? Imagine this is yesterday. Game one finish. Then they give you 3 coins. As you find reach yourself 5 face, they will give you lion. With this your 5 face, they're supposed to give you lion every seconds. That one just come. You see your smell. Clear road for the one and only one of UK. You call the saga.
Person there UK, not give you 4K coin at once.
No go play on. No go put out though. You are talking to the only one and only.
One and only waiting. May they drop 1K. May they drop 4K coin at once. 4K coin. Make I know say okay. Truly, then they UK. They are so cheap, I beg. Cheap.
They go surprise you just. See that your dog when they give you money just. Say where now? Where that your dog? Tell us how they call him. Tell your dog say they call him. Say his attention is needed.
It's coming. You just play the game, Abi?
Oh yeah, now. What happened? Okay, it's counting.
I'm trying.
Victory lap. It's counting. You can't see your victory lap. You want to try people with person with their bro. You want to play game. Only one master.
Oh, this one are capping. Make them drop 4K coin at once.
Only one master card for Europe. Only one single card.
And then if you drop 4K coin at once.
All the people, all your dog, whatever, all of the only one card don't cover that. Don't cover their ones. This is not a joke. Don't play with Nigeria people. Know they give blessing. You don't know. People they bless people. Yeah, I tell you, people they bless people for TikTok. Not be Nigeria they. You know why? 99% of Nigeria.
Now they give you cheap coin. Now they give you cheap coin.
Now people like us they bless women for TikTok. 99% of people they bless people in Nigeria. Now abroad they day. Most people in Nigeria, all of the TikTok. Go if you check all Nollywood actresses and actors, they say give me those power tap guys. All of them that TikTok. All those celebrities when they hear, say people, see a motor. If you check their TikTok, all they say power tap guy. Oh my God! Now you get this nyash. Jesus. You go to BBL. I been on BBC. Now BBC, this one BBC.
Where I want some money to BBL. I be like we don't chop.
What do? Now you get this nyash.
Now me na.
And next year you carry country talk. Now they give you coins. Jesus, I don't die. I don't faint. What is you pour me water?
Give me.
This your nyash. See, Emma Agbo, this your nyash need prayer. Check me.
Yes.
Because you can't have this kind of nyash. And you do life like this. They don't give you lion.
No,
That's an error.
It's just a matter of time. I'll collect this. Follow me back.
Close your eye, let me pray for you. Put your hand in your yash. Say, Idimio.
Idimio.
As I begin to pray right now.
As I begin to pray right now.
Give me money. Give me connection.
Give me money. Give me lion. Give me universe.
As I shake you, Baba.
As I shake you.
As I begin to shake you.
As I begin to shake you.
Give me lion.
Give me lion and universe.
Begin to fire prayer. Because it's an error.
Jesus. Oh, my Baba. As I begin to shake you, begin to give me lion and universe.
Because you can't have this kind of this is what called overload. Jesus. So now you get this now.
Nah, me. Oh yeah, follow me back. I'm going off. Maybe next time we'll play.
All right. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Take off your yes. God bless you. You are blessed. Holy Spirit bless you.
Don't follow me.
No, what I'll follow you down. I'll follow you. Let me follow you. Let me follow you. Who not follow that your nyash? You don't lose route. You don't miss route.
Oh yeah, now bye-bye.
All right, ciao. All right. I don't think we would laugh to do. Thank you very much, all my gifters. May God bless every one of you guys that gift me. Who I'm also tough for national peace to reign. Who I'm also tough for national peace to reign. Use national peace to reign. You know the slave? Use peace to reign. You know the slave? Use peace to reign. You know the slave? I still not sleep. Thank you very much. Okay, now when I play again, I'm not going to gift for this plan, this app. Okay, then when they play again, I'm not going to gift me. I just see. Now do well. All my gifters now do well. Thank you very much. Only one, Miss Jenny, Claire Road, and whom you be. God bless you. God the unstoppable, no Lolo one of UK. I must greet you with better style. I must talk for national peace to reign. Who say what I don't go boy, they don't go say fight for their community. You get my point now. That is Iyogusa. That is the CEO of Ogosha Shopping Mall Plaza in GROA. We are going for national peace to reign. I must greet you right there. The baby mama one. That is Rita Agbontan. We are going to because you're not going to turn out, you are going to. You get my point now. Oh God. The CEO of Rita Hotel International. Here you go. That is the ever one of such a generation. Good. I must greet you, pretty love. Thank you very much for the gift and the love. Sweet Brother Gist TV. As many. Una bungbe for national team. Mommy Grace. He will do what I will not go for national peace. Sorry. You get to my point now. On the short, not too pleasant. Hello for Osirati DJ Chris wife. All the way from Asti City. Hey, wow, yeah, Fifi, Mama Fifi, Mama Philo one. Hey, Yaro, you what?
God play, make you answer.
You get to my point now.
Make you answer.
So, what up, baby? What up, baby? We don't have a trouble. Trouble, what up, baby? You get my point now. So, before the interaction of the game that we are playing, we are talking about this our woman, our sister. You're watching World Cup. A World Cup young. Not be smart, you. You World Cup too sweet. Our sister, what's her name? Jessica Williams. With the spoil Atiti. You understand? Jessica Williams very character. I see now when you hear saga where you marry saga where I just came here to tell you the truth. One, you are not a happy woman. Make una listen, you know. I'm not calling your saga Jessica Williams. I want to give a few points which everybody already know that Jessica Williams is not a happy woman. It does not have a happy home. So it is. I can't compare myself with you. You don't have a happy home. Oh, no, now once you go to the top of public, yes, No matter the situation today, you cannot see my wife becoming too so low. Hello, that's not the choice. That's one. You're supposed to know that one.
Hello, sir. How are you? Alexa, pause the music. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Yeah, good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see. What's going on? What's going on with you? I see you're a motivational speaker, general and traditional life advice. Okay, teaching values, respect, and discipline. Live every day. Follow the journey. I'm part of the journey today. I just wanted to say hi, and say here's a great thing you're doing. Keep it up. Keep it up. Yeah, and you look sharp. Looking sharp. I'm from state of origin or based. How? What do you mean?
Where are you from? Are you from Nigeria or which of the country are you from?
I'm based in Nigeria. I'm from Lagos State.
Based in Nigeria?
Yeah, I'm based in Nigeria.
I'm in Nigeria right now.
But thank God, we've chosen not to leave. We've chosen not to leave. It's a tough choice, but
That's good.
Decided to make that choice. Yeah.
So are you enjoying social media?
Well, social media per se, it is more like it's my marketplace. So as an actor, an MC, and all of that. So social media, like I said,
Right?
Sir?
Yeah, MC.
Yes, MC.
Okay. You handle some program or MC on occasion or outstanding MC?
Yes, I am available to travel. I'm available to, move to any part of the world. I won't host. Sorry, Queenie, I'm talking to someone on my live stream. No, I'm talking to someone on my live stream. Please hold on. Just hold on. So, I host weddings, birthdays, corporate events, So I just do all of that. I just put myself together, and then I get one or two acting gigs and all that. So, and I'm also available to travel to any part of the world. Even Maiduguri in Nigeria, any part of the world, I'm ready to travel. As long as the basic things are being attended to.
You are not come to Europe. One program for Europe.
Why not? Why not?
Wow.
Definitely. Why not? Definitely.
That's good.
All right,
Have
sir.
you
I
been
wanted to.
You've been Europe before?
What?
Have you been?
No. I've never been. I've never been to Europe before. The thing is, I don't want to leave Nigeria. I just don't feel too free whenever I travel. I just feel very free more in Nigeria. But then does not mean Nigeria is the safest place to be. But in terms of freedom of the heart and the mind, I just feel very free in Nigeria.
So good.
Yeah.
All
What
right.
about you, sir?
Well, I'm from Nigeria too, but I'm based in Europe.
That big man you be now, Omg. Omg.
Well, we just need to follow up no matter what I do.
No, the way you fresh like this, you sharp. At least I tell my friends, looking good is good business, At the end of the day, looking good is good business, Anywhere, even if when you do your pocket, it will open doors for you, to be honest. Just present yourself. Present yourself well. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. It was nice connecting you. I gave you a follow, so you can choose to follow me, but you can choose not to. Well, thank you so much. It was nice connecting with you, sir.
I will. No problem.
All right, take care. Thank you.
Let's play one game.
All right, let's have one. Let's do one. You finish me. That's a problem now. Not the hot.
What is it now?
Not the hot.
You're not finished flirting yet.
Not the hot.
Guys, let's go. Let's go WhatsApp, guys. Everybody, let's go.
All right, guys,
WhatsApp.
let's go. Let's finish them. Let's finish them. I don't have anybody here. No, Queenie, that's not what I'm
Guys,
doing. Like I'm
guys,
live
let's
streaming,
go.
and
Everybody, let's go. Thank you very much for your power tapping, guys. Let's go. We got times two. Times two. Anything you drop is times two, guys. Anything you drop is times two, guys.
Guys, let's
Anything
go,
you
let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys.
anything you
Everybody
drop,
keep clicking on the
anything you
screen.
drop, any
All my
gift you
people
drop
don't
now.
go, and I have 3 streaks. 3 streaks, and my people have gone. But don't worry, things will
Guys,
change.
let's
Eh?
go. Anything you drop,
We'll come back for you.
Everybody for WhatsApp. Everybody for WhatsApp, guys. Everybody for WhatsApp. If you're watching live, guys, for WhatsApp. Everybody for WhatsApp, guys. Let's go. Everybody, let's go for WhatsApp, guys. Let's go there. Guys, if you're watching me live, for WhatsApp, guys, power tap on your screen. Power tap on your screen, guys, as we wait for ×2 bonus again. Let's wait for ×2 bonus again, guys. Anything you get, you give them, you drop them. It is down. Guys, everybody power tap. All right, one coins to activate ×2, guys. One rules to activate ×2, guys. One rules to activate ×2. One rules to activate ×2. Guys, shukran for that. God bless you. Thanks. We have activated ×2. Let's get ready for ×2, guys. Let's get ready for ×2. Let's get ready for ×2, guys. What up? I must greet you all with better start.
All right, guys, thank you so much, man. My people just left. I mean, my people's account in my backup, but I'm still here streaming. That's why. If not, we would have. I have the gingerbread here, and you could be mouthpiece when you're not talking to your chats. That's double duty. That's double duty you're giving me. That's double duty.
×2, guys. Let's go.
No, Kidi, I'm telling you, yeah, no, like, that's double duty. Like, sometimes I will mix it up. I might just shout, guys, snipe! Everybody will say, what are we sniping here? You see that other girl, she was not afraid to do double duties. Which girl? Oh, God. Dreams. Just keep on dreaming.
That's
She was on 2 live at the same time.
Guys, ×2, guys.
She had us all confused.
Anything you have, drop it, guys.
Honestly, like, you know, I can't do that. Like, but she should not be using her side eyes to look at us and then be winning and all. Hey, these guys don't drop. Okay, well, it's just 3 streaks I have. It's just small 3 streaks. You know, I will send. So what you're saying is, yeah, that you refuse to help. I'm helping you. That's why I'm still talking here. I left my mic on, so it's so on. That's what I'm trying to say now. So, but the thing is, you have 4 more hours. Let's see how many K you need to get to that distance first. That's the most important thing now. You need to know how many K you need to get your 1 fragment. Because now you have 4 more hours to go, and now you're saying 1K. Wifey! Queenie, wifey is here. Wait now. Why you wait? I'm talking. Oh, wait now. Wait, I will turn down this volume. I am overstimulated and I am tired and I need a break. I will turn down this volume first. No worry. See what did you do? I didn't do anything. No. I'm on a live stream. My backup account, she's putting me saying, I've turned the volume down. let me tell her what I have to say. Why are you shouting now? Wait first. Let me read this game. You turn the volume down. Wait. Let me finish this game first. Hold on. I will shout in your ears until you turn me back up. In fact, I will go outside by tree and shout like crazy woman. I've done. That's the tag you get. Oh my goodness. Oh, beating. Whoa! Puppy love. He was worried. I'm gonna lose my 3 streaks. I thought I was going to lose my streaks. Damn. Crazy. I got a puppy love. Damn. Damn, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is manna from heaven. Damn, Obia, thank you. Where do I? Oh, Mariam, how are you? How are you doing, wifey? Thank you so much. God bless all of you. Thank you.
Is that my super kinky Smurf that he just passed?
I don't know how that happened. Manna from heaven.
How
Crazy.
are you racing, man?
Crazy, guys. Crazy. As I talking about crazy, I just saw Mr. Bucci. Mr. Boo Boo. Mr. Bucci.
You know what? I'm gonna.
Sorry.
You, and then let me talk to wifey.
Sorry, no
Thank
this.
you very much.
Sorry.
Let's go.
See what Mr. Bucci gave to you. Look at it.
My father. I cannot see. I dropped my phone. Wait now.
Let me explain it to you. Mr. Bucci sent dinosaur. Thank you so much, guys, man. Is there no dinosaur? Is there no dinosaur at the end? There is dinosaur at the end. So, good night. Mary, am I going to bed? Thank you so much, guys. Man, like, Queenie, I'm trying to tell you that manna from heaven. I was so serious. Somebody just snapped. Kai, thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. Thank you. Manna from heaven. Whoever did that, whoever sent you. Yeah, an angel in disguise. Thank you so much.
We're doing contributions. Thank you so much for coming and giving me the dino. The disco. So we are going to disco. Did not tell me in advance so I can get my messages.
That's 2 rows to activate.
Guys, we need 2 roses to activate the speed, guys. 2 roses to activate the speed, guys. 2 roses, guys.
So now you're quiet.
You said I should not talk now. No talk now. Thank you so much, guys. We need 2 roses from 2 different people, guys. Come on. 2 roses, 2 different people. 2 roses from 2 different people.
Attitude? Is that what's going on? Is that the problem? Is that why you're quiet?
Thank you, guys. We need you, man. Obi-Wan on TikTok. Damn, thank you so much, man. I don't even know. You know, like, I thought my streaks were going to go down, like, for real. I thought my streaks were going down, but, you know, God did. God did. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for the love, man. You guys are wonderful. Thank you. Yeah, Miriam said you did good night. Now you guys have left me alone on my live stream. It's just me. It's just me on my live stream, guys. What are you guys doing?
Guys, let's go there.
I appreciate you. Guys, these guys are coming for me. They're coming for me now. I have 2 minutes and some change left. Queenie, I'm here. I'm here with you, Queenie. I'm still here.
Let's go, guys. Let's win this game, guys.
Oh my God.
Anything you have, guys, drop it, guys. Let's go. Drop your money.
No, Queenie, I don't want to be shouting too much on your platform, like, but I'm still watching it. I'm looking at it, like, right now. I'm looking, you see, I'm hearing you, I'm looking at it, I'm focusing on my game. I'm doing both of them at the same time. That's a huge task, you know.
You cannot do it. It's impossible because I'm telling you, I need to before.
Oh, man, thank you so much. I appreciate the love. Guys, everybody watching from the FYP, I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you. If you're just joining, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Everybody click on the screen, guys. Queenie has 299 likes and we have 6,200. Let's see how it goes, guys. We need to go up. We need to hit about 10,000 likes. We need to hit 10,000 likes as well. I don't know how we'll get there, but we should get there. I don't know how. Patricio Enrique, you're welcome. Thank you. I want to say Enrico, but it's not a Yoruba or Hausa name.
Thank you, guys.
Oh God, I told you I'll come with my main account. I'm gonna do it.
Good to you. Thank you very much.
Can you imagine? Even I told you I will come my main account. I said, how many hours do we have? 4 hours. I said I'll come with my main account and do it now.
I'm sorry.
These people are going to snap, guys. Let's drop.
That's why I said, but I have to end my live stream. That's what I was saying. If I had planned it earlier, I would have just come on your live stream. Thank you so much, guys. Everybody keep clicking on the screen. Patricio Enrique, thank you so much. I appreciate the love. Thank you so much, guys. Say Richie, thank you, man. Everybody showing me love, man. You guys are amazing. You guys are always beating me. They are beating me. They're always winning me. But the last time, I don't even know how it happened. Something just changed. Diamond, you're welcome. Thank you so much for coming around, Diamond. How are you doing today? Thank you, guys. Ooh, we lost this one, dude. Regardless, nice game. Sherry, how are you, Sherry? Queenie, Sherry's in your live. Sherry now is not in my live. Sherry will be confused. I can hear her voice in two places. Try Ice Clash. All right, let's have one more, Chairman.
All right.
Hold on. Why is this one? Which one? What is it saying? Say try Ice Clash. Which one's Ice Clash? I don't know how that works. Sherry, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling, Sherry? Thank you so much for coming around. All right, guys. Everybody keep clicking on the screen. If you're just joining, you are welcome.
Guys, everybody for WhatsApp. Last one, guys, for WhatsApp, guys. Let's go.
Sherry, thank you so much for the hat me. I appreciate you.
So what
Thank you.
do you
Thanks so much for the
WhatsApp,
hat me, guys.
Everybody for WhatsApp.
Thanks so much for the hat me, Sherry. Sherry came around, but now she's back on the live stream, though. I think she came on yours. I welcome that.
Wait for times 2, guys.
Right.
Down. Live, guys. We have times 2. Anything you have, drop it, guys.
Thank you so much. Sherry, how you feeling today?
Times 2,
How you
guys.
feeling today? Sorry, I didn't even get it. Thanking you, God. This task you are giving to me, you should. It's not easy. Like, I'm literally looking at 2 screens at the same time, trying to know what to say and when to mute to say one on my own.
Guys, anything you get now, drop on. With that money gone, drop on. Anything you get, drop on. Anything you get, drop on. Anything you get, drop on. You get my point now. Everybody power tap, not sleep. All this Lagos base, they want to follow our hand. But thanks to every one of you guys that showing me love. We don't want to make shame, they cash us. You understand? God bless you guys. But I'm also for national peace to reign. Guys, let's go. We'll put it beside the smoke. Guys. We'll put it beside the smoke. Every one of you guys watching this broadcast for WhatsApp, guys, get ready for times 2, guys. Get ready for times 2. This is the last game. You know, so that they snipe well. The little way they know how to do now. That means they snipe. That one they used to the way. Guys, power tap on your screen if you're watching this broadcast. Osamore, they watch my live stream. If I'm alive, who is Sungwa? Osamore, to Sungwa. They watch my live stream. Go and meet your father or Atiti. Ready by you again. Jessica Evo. Guys, guess 2 rows, 2 people, 2 rows. 2 rows from different people to activate our speed, to activate times 2, guys. To activate times 2. Bloggers, now they look, now the day they have the dodge they look, they find video one cut. You know, they gift person, but now they on one cut video when I want to go to blog. Yeah, guys, expose what? I mean, yeah, bloggers now. Yeah, guys, expose what? Whatever, why go the video we have film where we YouTube, where you go. I beg you, I show you love. 1 rose, guys. 1 rose. One person to give me 1 rose. 1 rose. Let's go. 1 rose. Who they give me that rose? He done it. When I give me the rose, done it. Time to finish. Done it. Not judge me. You know, you're for me, not judge me. Not judge me. Ute bumeri ya mano hear me see. Yeah, kedi. Oh yeah, guys, let's go, guys. Let's go. They don't give them. They don't give table. They give the guys. Let's go.